It's bringing together the right resources, the right people in a co-located spot. It may be a virtual collaboration. It might be a bricks and mortar collaboration. I'll call them dynamic, innovative, doesn't matter what tag you want to put on it. Partnerships where not just one organisation, be it private enterprise, government, our many medical research institutes, biotech companies, come together, pool their resources, pool their knowledge, all for a common goal, and to create some fantastic discoveries, whether it be drug development, devices, software, all in aid of creating a better healthcare environment. If you can bring all those different people, whether it's been the money, the science, the technology, the ideas together, that's what successful or innovative partnerships are about. Like any good partnership, communication is key. Setting up governance arrangements that are appropriate, meet everybody's needs, and have the end in mind are quite critical. And the other point is flexibility. Like any partnership, things evolve. So, ensuring that your partnerships can cater for future events, changes of objectives are common things we're talking to clients about. I think when it comes to the innovative partnerships, there is a degree of legal innovation, not so much in the formal structures, but you're bringing multiple parties, not all of the same type, government, non-government, business, talked about research institute. And normally with these partnerships, it's not just 2, 3, it can be anything up to 12 or 15 participants. And as soon as you get that volume with different, I won't say different objectives, but differing backgrounds and differing considerations, just the stakeholder management and complexity of setting up everything from a governance arrangement to the protection of IP to working out structures for the, hopefully, sharing of the commercialisation windfalls that will come from these developments if they're successful. What I see is sort of the global megatrends for healthcare and life sciences, genomics, stem cells, personalised medicine, which is underpinned by digital health, both in the bricks and mortar sense of everything from telehealth to ability to deliver healthcare into the home, but the underpinning technologies that are going to make it quicker to develop successful new therapies through to a whole range of things that we haven't even thought about. And that's why you're seeing some of these tech giants, whether it be the Apple, Googles, Amazons of the world, also playing in this space. There is a lot they can bring to the table, and we're increasingly seeing them not just operate on their own, but as part of these partnerships. The Commonwealth health budget in 2022 was $75 billion. 2026, it's forecast to hit $140 billion, and it will only keep going in one way. And that's underpinned by just the necessities of the increasing population, an ageing population, a desire to research, commercialise and adopt as many new health technologies that serves the community's best interests. The private sector will always be a key underpinning of research and commercialisation. And increasingly, talking to the medical research institutes, they have finite budgets. Increasingly, they're looking to public-private partnerships. Look, pleasingly, we're at a tipping point, I think, here in Australia with that compared to the US and Europe. We've been held up as being behind on the involvement of philanthropy and family offices. some really big, exciting examples in recent times. Only a couple of weeks ago, the Walter and Eliza Hall Institute received $100 million over 10 years from the Snow family to pursue immunology-related diseases. We had, coming out of COVID, the University of Melbourne has established the Cummins Pandemic Therapeutics Response Centre. That's $250 million. There are lots of other examples. The common feedback that we have from both the research institutes, universities, the private sector clients, are that while we have a transparent, robust and well-regarded regulatory system here in Australia, the challenges that our systems face, and this is not unique to Australia, mean that we should be looking wherever we can at commonality of regulation, making it easier, but not for the sake of quality and creating a system that is safe to conduct, for example, clinical trials. And if we don't have the regulatory environment that helps us do that, then we're going to fall behind.